There's something magical about Ghibli art, and we are seeing lots of people on the internet creating it. They are putting their profile pictures, their DPs, their Instagram posts, lots of reels about this art. But it's not just an animation. It's emotion, it's soul, it's storytelling at its purest form. And what if I tell you that this very art, which was created with patience and human touch, is now being replaced with just a single click? AI is taking over. Lots of people are creating Ghibli style art in just seconds without understanding the struggle, the dedication, the artistry behind the art. And I was one of them. I hooked on the trend. I uploaded an AI generated Ghibli version of myself on the internet, and it was easy, it was effortless. But then I saw something which changed everything. Artists spend hours and days to bring their imagination to life. Every tiny detail, every brush stroke is a part of their soul. And here we are reducing it to a single click. And this hit me hard. Like, this isn't appreciation, this is a replacement. And I refuse to be a part of it. And that's why I'm here, creating a piece from scratch as a tribute, as a stand for real artists, for Miyazaki, for Ghibli, and for every artist out there who pours their heart into their work. Let's do this. Studio Ghibli's art isn't just drawings, it's feelings, the warm hues, the soft lighting, the attention to every leaf, the shadows. It's what makes it human. AI can copy the style, but it can never replicate the heart behind it. Did you know Hayao Miyazaki himself once saw an AI-generated animation and called it an insult to life itself? He believes hand drawing is the essence of creativity. Today, we are at a huge risk of forgetting that. Alright, now let's talk about the art process. Creating a Ghibli-inspired piece isn't about making it look right. It's about the storytelling. Ghibli's backgrounds are always full of life, warmth, and a touch of nostalgia, so I'm trying to focus on that details. So first, I started with rough shapes and blocking out the compositions. So as you all must have seen lots of images of this Ghibli style art on the internet, you must have observed one thing, that there's nothing perfectly symmetrical in this art form. Like, there's always the organic and hand-drawn feel to it. So I'm trying to achieve that through Illustrator. So since I'm using an Illustrator, it is difficult to achieve that hand-drawn feel, but I'm trying my best. So why am I using Illustrator for this? It's because I take lots of orders and freelancing work of making digital portraits, and I love doing that, and that's why I'm using Illustrator. But if you want to see a hand-drawn version of it, let me know in the comment section below and I'll make a separate video of it for you all. So unlike typical digital illustrations, Ghibli style lines are soft, mostly sketchy, so I'm trying to keep my stroke a little loose and fluid. So now, colors. Ghibli style color palette has warm, rich and earthy tones. Like, they don't use a single color, they blend colors to create depth. And in my image, there's a lot of happening in the background. So I'm going to try to recreate that, or maybe achieve that in the background, because there are a lot of colors and lots of depth and everything. So I'll use gradient effect and overlapping effect to create that depth. Now the lighting is everything. You watch any Ghibli movie and you'll notice the soft glows, the light filtering through the window, the golden hour effect. It all adds to the magical realism they create. And now when you observe, you'll see the difference that AI generated art doesn't get those details right. It might mimic the look, but it lacks intention. And intention is what makes art. Art. How many of us cried during Grave of the Fireflies, felt the magic in Spirited Away, laughed with my neighbor Totoro? That isn't just animation. It's storytelling with heart. And here it is, my Ghibli-inspired piece, drawn, colored and shaped with hands. Of course, digital illustrations also require hands. This isn't just a tribute to Studio Ghibli. It's a tribute to every artist out there who refuses to be replaced by a machine. If you believe in real art and real artists, let's spread this message. Leave a comment and share this video as much as you can, and let's make sure that art stays human. And now I'll place 3 images on the screen and you guys have to select one and let me know in the comment section below. because I am going to recreate that image into another Ghibli style art of mine. So do let me know faster in the comment section below.